Dear friends, welcome to my channel. We will open and chat with you about cars. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good time. Cupra branched off from Seat in 2018, while its first standalone model is the Formentor, which was launched in 2020. Since then, the automaker has been making waves in Europe thanks to the success of the crossover. It's no secret that the Cupra will focus mainly on electric models soon, but the Formentor will still hold an important place in the brand's range. That said, the model is expected to receive substantial restyling, not only in terms of aesthetics but also in terms of technology. The rendering of the Cupra Formentor is based on the model presented during the Unstoppable Impulse event in June 2022, as well as recent sightings. The main aesthetic changes will be concentrated on the front. With a grille inspired by the shapes of the Cupra Tabascan, the new fully electric coupe SUV. The front will have a square shape and new LED headlights with 3 triangular elements to give further personality to the look of the Cupra. The refresh is also expected to get a new set of alloy wheels and body colors. Inside, the restyling could receive a new infotainment screen with backlit climate control buttons to improve its visibility when driving at night. The Alcantara upholstery recently seen on the Tribe Edition and the cup buckets of the VZ5 could be added to the choices. Based on what we know so far, the Cupra is likely to review some variants, improving their efficiency and power. The 150 horsepower 1.5-liter TSI gasoline engines could become mild hybrids like those in the Leon and Leon Sportster, while the more powerful 190, 245, and 310 horsepower 2.0-liter mills should remain intact without any type of electrification. It is also possible that the plug-in hybrids could receive a larger battery, which will affect overall power and electric range. The restyling is expected to be officially unveiled by the end of 2023, with a possible debut in the dealership in spring 2024. Cupra currently mulls entering the US market, albeit nothing set in stone at this point. Subscribe, like, don't forget the bell.